Alright, 你好, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you all doing? Are you okay or not? So anyway, today I'm going to show you how do you say please have a seat in Mandarin. But of course, there's more than that. This is my little 101 book. Please have a seat. Please stand up. Please come in. Please come out. Please have some tea in Mandarin. So how do you say all that in Mandarin? Very easy. Let the master show you. Okay. So now, please, the first important word you need to know, please, is called Qing. Okay, Qing. Qing. Remember, Q sounds like CH. Qing. So number 3, Qing. Okay, please have a seat. So you say Qing, zuo, xia, lai. Qing, zuo, xia, lai. Okay, zuo, Z sounds like seat. Zuo, zuo. Qing, zuo, xia, lai. X sounds like S. So, Qing, zuo, xia, lai. So you can tell, hey, 你好, 你好, 请坐下来, fu, up. Next one is, please stand up. So, please is called 请, okay? Stand up is called 站起来, 站起来, okay? 站起来, 站 is stand, 起来 is like something like wake up, okay? So, 请站起来, very, very powerful. So anyway, this is how you speak it, okay? 请坐下来, 请站起来. That's it. Try to use this and see in your workplace, okay? All right. So of course, no need to be in a workplace, okay? Anywhere you can use. Okay. The next one is please come in. What happened to my English? Please come in and please come out. So please is called 请. Come in is called 进来. 进来, 进 is in, 来 is come. So in come, come in is the other way around, okay? Okay, so 请进来, 请进来. Please come out. So come out is 出来, 出 is out, 来 is come. So come out, okay? You don't just bear with me on the differences. So 请出来 is please come out. 请出来. Hello, hello, hello. 请出来. 请出来 Hello, 请出来 请进来 Very easy, okay? So now, remember, please is called 请. Next one is called please have some tea. Okay, in Mandarin it's called 请 have some tea. So what is drink? He. Okay, some is called 点 cha is tea. So 请 he 点 cha. That means please have, but of course have you don't say, because in English you say have. Of course in Mandarin you have to use the correct verb according to the action. Okay, so drink is called cha, so you drink the tea. Okay, so 请喝点茶. Hey, 你好你好，来来来，请坐下来。请喝点茶。I tell you, you use this, it's going to be a very different level. Trust me, different level. Just imagine a customer walking into your shop. You just go up to them. Hi, 你好，你好，嗨，请坐下来。请喝点茶。I tell you, a lot of heads gonna turn looking at you. Trust me, when you get heads turning looking at you, this is what I want you to do. Come to this channel, come to this video, comment, yes, Sifu, oh my God, so much of interesting reaction I'm getting. Yes, you will win very high respect when you misspeak Mandarin to a Chinese person. I get that all the time. Do I look like a Chinese teacher now, right? An Indian guy here. But when I speak Mandarin to them, they're like, whoa, not bad. Especially if you're using tones. 你好，请坐下来。请喝点茶。Use this. Comment below. Let me know what are the few things that you learned today. And then remember to subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell icon. Every day I'm releasing videos teaching you how to speak Mandarin using my little book here. All right. So, 谢谢你，再见。